Define cloud models. What are cloud models? The cloud models define the deployment type of cloud resources. The three main cloud models are private, public, and hybrid. Let's start with the private cloud. A private cloud is, in some ways, the natural evolution from a cooperative data center. It is a cloud delivering IT services over the internet that's used by a single entity. Private cloud provides much greater control for the company and its IT department. However, it also comes with a great cost and fewer of the benefits of public cloud deployment. Finally, a private cloud may be hosted from your on-site data center. It may also be hosted in a dedicated data center off-site, potentially even by a third party that has dedicated that data center to your company. Public cloud. A public cloud is built, controlled, and maintained by a third-party cloud provider. With public cloud, anyone who wants to purchase cloud services can access and use resources. The general public availability is a key difference between public and private clouds. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is a computing environment that uses both public and private clouds in an interconnected environment. A hybrid cloud environment can be used to allow private cloud to search for increased temporary demand by deploying public cloud resources. Hybrid cloud can be used to provide an extra layer of security. For example, users can flexibly choose which services to keep in public cloud and which to deploy to their private cloud infrastructure. So here, the key comparative aspects between the cloud models. For the public cloud, no capital expenditure to scale up. For the private cloud, organizations have complete control over resources and security. For the hybrid cloud, provides the most flexibility. So for the public cloud, applications can be quickly provisioned and deprovisioned, and the organization pay only for what they use. The organization do not have complete control over resources and security. For the private cloud, on the other hand, data is collocated with other organization data. Hardware must be purchased for startup and maintenance. Organizations are responsible for hardware maintenance and updates. For the hybrid cloud, organizations determine where to run their application, and organization control security, compliance, or legal requirements. We have the multi-cloud. A fourth and increasingly likely scenario is a multi-cloud scenario. In multi-cloud scenario, you use multiple public cloud providers. For example, Azure, AWS, GCP, and so on. Maybe you use different features from different cloud providers, or maybe you started your cloud journey with one provider and are in the process of migrating to a different provider. So regardless, in a multi-cloud environment, you deal with two or more public cloud providers and manage resources and security in both environments. The Azure Arc. Azure Arc is a set of technologies that helps manage your cloud environment. It can help manage your cloud environment, whether it's public cloud solely on Azure, a private cloud in your data center, a hybrid configuration, or even a multi-cloud environment running on multiple cloud providers at once. Azure VMware solution. What if you already established with VM in a private cloud environment, but you want to migrate to public or hybrid cloud? Azure VMware solution lets you run your VMware workloads in Azure with seamless integration and scalability.